Assalamu alaikum. Ahmed here. You are watching my YouTube channel. Today's lecture we are going to discuss about API 510 examination. As you guys have applied for the coming window, uh, for that purpose I have to started this session. Inshallah, we will cover all the things, each and everything regarding API 510 examination. So API 510 is a certification which makes you eligible to become a pressure vessel inspector. Which type of pressure vessels? In service pressure vessels. In according to this code, you will be eligible to conduct inspections for the in service pressure vessels, rating, repair, and alteration. Uh, Here we have to start. What is actually its scope? This inspection code covers in-service inspection. Okay, in-service inspection, repair, alteration, re-rating activities for pressure vessels and pressure relieving devices. The thing is that uh, actually this code is suitable for the in-service inspection, not for the vessels which are going to be fabricated, nor for the retired vessels. Okay, keep in mind, only for in-service inspection. The purpose of this code is to specify in-service inspection condition monitoring program that is needed to determine the integrity of pressure vessels and relieving devices, pressure relieving devices. Okay. Note: on the demand of owner or user, this code can also be used for the following vessels. Actually, the this code is only for in services vessels. But if owner or user means client demand, then this code also be applicable for the vessels constructed according to a applicable construction code like ASME, boiler and pressure vessel code, ASME code, non-code vessels, a vessel which is not fabricated to a recognized construction code and meeting unknown recognized standards, standard vessel, non-standard vessels constructed and approval as judiciary special. Actually, what thing is that these all are the kind of vessels, you can say, are kind of the parties which can fabricate the vessels, uh, and also this code can be applicable for these type of all the vessels. I think you got my point. If there is a conflict between API 510 and applicable construction code, that at that situation you have to give preference to the API 510. This statement said that if there is a conflict between the any construction code and API 510, so you have to make inspections or make alteration repairs according to the API 510 instead of the that constructed code. Okay. Next, the application of this code is restricted to owner user. That this is the thing. The actually the API 510. Yeah, the application of this inspection code means API 5 code is restricted to owner and user. Owner or user may give access to the these persons. It may be an authorized inspection agency, maybe a repair organization, maybe an engineer, an inspector, or examiner. It means owner or user can give access to the these parties to make inspections for the client or user. Okay. These are the reference codes. Sometime in examination you will see these type of inspection, this type of course instead. Let's suppose API 571. The question will state that damage mechanism is huh, we study about damage mechanism in which code. Then option will be API 571. You have to see this. These are this was the question which were included in my examination. In the exam, they asked me about the risk-based inspection methodology. Then there were multiple options, and I have selected API 581. 581 is the code through which we go for the RBI methodology. These are also section 5 for NDE, okay, non-destructive examination. Section 9 for welding and brazing. These are also reference codes or standards. Okay, there is a little bit quiz. You have to you have a gentle look on it and answer gently. Which API appendix lists the qualification and certification for? Oh, sorry, it should be annex, not appendix. Annex certification for the inspector. Yeah, there are A, B, C, D, five annex are there, which, which have different purposes. But for the certification and qualification of the examiner inspector, annex B is there. Okay, so to say these are not appendix; these are annex. So we can see annex. Personal qualification and certification in non-destructive testing. Okay, non-destructive testing. Yeah. Actually, it is saying that which is the code for the qualification and certification for NDT testing. This is the ASNT. Someone if someone has ASNT certification, then he is qualified for the to conduct non-destructive examinations. Okay, this is the right answer. A non-code vessel is one. Uh, this is asking about the what is the definition of the non-code vessel. These are the four options. You have to choose correct one. The C is correct one. Not fabricated to a recognized construction code and meeting unknown recognized standards. A non-standard vessel is one. Non-standard vessel. Fabricated to a recognized construction code but has lost its nameplate or stamping. Means fabricated on a recognized construction code, but it does not possess any type of a nameplate. Then it will be considered as a non-standard vessel. API 510 is restricted to owner or user that may imply or have access to. Uh, I think D will be right answer. An authorized inspection agency, an inspector, examiner, engineer, or repair organization. These are the five personals which may get access from the owner or user in order to do inspections on the behalf of owner or user. The last one is thank you. Thank you very much. If you uh, like my content, then please subscribe my channel. Inshallah, we will continue.